Hey guys, I very like this product, this charger from ZGCINE, and before I like so much this product, I buy one another gadget from this brand, and this is dummy battery for FZ100 Sony Alpha battery. With a press interval. Just battery and nothing. You can see here model PD FZ100, PD in 9 volt 3 ampere and out 8.4 volt 3 ampere. ZGCINE PD FZ100. And now you can see this is not my original. Yeah, this is my original battery. Now this have 8.23 volt and this is 89%. i.t.tricks. %. Okay, this is 8.4 volt. Uh, 50 centimeters maybe. Okay guys, I have one small gadget now. I need this. This is my USB-C. Yes. Oh yeah, I have 8.6 volt. This is 8.6 volt. I don't know, this can damage my camera or not. If you know, please comment below. But yes, I test this. You have one small piece here. Yes. And action. Yes. Show here battery is 100%. Yes, I can. Yes, this work. This line is good build quality. You can see very good, but just one thing, I don't know this is good or not. This is little over volt. This have 8.6 volt. I don't know this can damage my camera or not. If you know, please comment below. But I like this color is so crazy, and build quality is good. Yes, thank you for watching. See you again.